Bienvenue à l'usine de Brookings, Dakota du Sud, États-Unis.
On June 28, 2012, Bell broke ground on the new mini Baby Bell plant in Brookings, South Dakota. The 170,000 square foot facility is located 57 miles north of Sioux Falls along the I-29 corridor. This 48-acre site was chosen for its robust dairy industry and access to milk to make our mini Baby Bells. It took nearly 2 years to complete the construction of this new state-of-the-art facility, which spans the length of nearly 4 football fields. We'll go from milk receiving on one end to the finished product at the other end. The Brookings plant will produce approximately 24 million pounds of cheese annually to meet the growing demand for mini Baby Bell in the U.S. and the Americas. Following the commissioning of equipment and processes, the extensive trials and testing, commercial production began on July 8, 2014. We'll be ramping up production in the coming months of both mini Baby Bell original and light varieties. In September, we'll begin production of mini Baby Bell mozzarella. By November, we expect to produce 1.3 million pounds for the month and 5.5 million pounds in total for 2014. The process starts early in the morning at milk receiving with delivery trucks from our 2 milk suppliers, DFA and Land O'Lakes. Each load is about 55,000 pounds. When we are at full capacity, we'll use about 500,000 pounds of milk per day. Every load of raw milk is tested to ensure it meets our quality standards. The milk is then transferred and stored in one of our 5 refrigerated silos that each hold 40,000 gallons. Now let's step into the production area. Everyone entering this area must follow GMPs to ensure the highest level of food safety and quality. Raw milk is pasteurized, then transferred to vats where we add starter and rennet to solidify the milk into curd. The curd is cut into fine pieces within the vat. We operate one integrated molding line. Here the curd is pressed into the molds. Each tray holds 80 pieces. On this line, we'll fill approximately 80,000 cups per hour of mini Baby Bells. The lids are placed on top of the trays and sent to the pressing room. In the brining process, the individual portions will float in a salt brine for 5 minutes to add flavor. The brine also acts as a preservative. Here in the ripening room, the cheese is held for up to 15 hours until it reaches optimal ripeness for texture and flavor, determined by moisture and pH levels. Now the cheese is ready for waxing. It will move along the conveyor to one of 5 waxing machines. We'll wax 21,000 pieces per machine per hour. Each portion will be dipped in its protective wax coating. First a coat of white wax, followed by our trademark red wax. The waxing of mini Baby Bell is a proprietary process designed just for our miniature portions. Here in the vision area, the cheese passes through a camera to ensure the wax is sealed properly, and then through a metal detector. This is where mini Baby Bell gets its cellophane wrapper. There are 2 wrapping machines which together can process 51,000 minis per hour. An electronic eye will check each portion to ensure it is properly wrapped. Now the mini Baby Bells are counted and on their way to netting. The product is netted and tagged and will be packed in cases. Pallets of finished mini Baby Bell will be held here in cold storage. The automated racking system makes it easy to access product. Soon this area will be filled with millions of mini Baby Bell.